The man you are watching on the screen right now is a man with golden heart. But why and how? What he has done to be known as golden heart? In Ahmedabad, Gujarat, हम मिले प्रकाश गुर्जर से।
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम प्रकाश गुर्जर है। बापूनगर म्यूनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन के क्षेत्र से मैं म्यूनिसिपल काउंसिलर हूं। नगर सेवक के रूप में बापूनगर में सेवाएं दे रहा हूं। साथ ही मैं अहमदाबाद म्यूनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन में डेप्यूटी चेयरमैन हेल्थ एंड सॉलिड वेस्ट विभाग में काम भी कर रहा हूं।
He inspired many lives. He helped as many people as possible. सिर्फ एक या दो सेक्टर में नहीं, but many. Planting trees, blood donation camps, organ donation camps, creating awareness among youth, awareness rallies, providing employment, helping in building small businesses, Safai Abhiyan, activities for kids like drawing and painting competition, creating awareness regarding government schemes among people, health camps, distributing books and bags to children's, meal distribution, building library, career guidance program, helping needy, distributing clothes, sports activities, and so on. Just name it and he does it. He has one-stop solution for every problem. He has his office in Ahmedabad and has some really dedicated people in his office to help other people. These people also go home to know people's problem and provide them solution on the spot. They collect the people's data and make them aware of government schemes and benefit. अब सवाल आता है लेकिन क्यों? Why? Why is he doing this? पैसा? ना. Fame? ना. सिर्फ इसलिए because he finds happiness in doing this work. They are focused on making people's life much easier. लोगों की help करना is his passion and he describes this as सुकून. अब सवाल आता है how? कैसे ये सब की शुरुआत हुई? One day he saw an old lady working in his home who was not even able to bend or walk properly, but she worked for 2 times meal. On the same day, he decided to provide her a kit with all the food essentials. ऐसे ही एक के बाद एक needy लोगों तक वो किट पहुंचाने लगे. He started this work with his 4 friends and that too fully self-funded. उन्होंने इस सोच को नाम दिया as a मददगार परिवार. He started adding more and more needy people to this NGO and today he has a family of 40,000 people and still counting. Many people come to his office thinking that it is a government office. इसलिए वो अपनी problems पूरे हक से बताते हैं. But he never bothered solving this confusion. He and his guys works in this office till 9 PM, जिससे वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुँच सके. इन्होंने अपने काम से अपना नाम गिनेस बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड में भी शामिल किया है. He made world's biggest greeting card for our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. He also made record of most people to sign in as organ donors in an hour. He also won National Youth Award in 2015 and 16. This man encourages youth and is also a motivational speaker. He is the best example कि लोगों की हेल्प करने के लिए पैसों की नहीं बल्कि एक अच्छी सोच और एक जिद्दी दिल की ज़रूरत होती है और ऐसे ही जिद्दी दिल को जिद्दी ह्यूमन सलाम करता है. ये सारे रीजंस मिलकर बनाते हैं इन्हें द मैन विद गोल्डन हार्ट. He made his own path and his only dream is to encourage maximum youngster just to uplift the cause of selfless service. ये तो सिर्फ शुरुआत है, पाने को आगे पूरा आसमान है. So guys, do share his story. We need more this kind of ziddi humans for our society who knows no excuses but results.
So I can proudly say that I am a ziddi human.
And if you know someone who is ziddi enough to be the change, please write us in below comments and our team will contact you. So guys, that's it for today. See you in our next video with a new story of a ziddi human. Till then, do like, share and subscribe our channel. Stay kind, stay safe.